wanted to take this class because it was giving me an opportunity to enhance my skills, especially with pipes and drapes, and allow me to seek after a more higher paying clientele. And with the experience that I received today, I'm ready to go.
If you're thinking about taking this class, you better go ahead and sign up now. Because it was just the best experience ever. Precious was very hands-on. You'll learn everything that you need to know to execute your event. She will not let you make a mistake without, pointing it out. So I really did appreciate that.
It was very helpful. I learned a lot. It was recommended to me to come, and I did. And I was very happy that I did. Got my money's worth, learned new techniques. She was, again, hands-on, gave good information, very helpful if you had questions. And it was just fun, and everybody in the class was learning at the same time, and we helped each other, and it was a good experience, and I enjoyed it.
This is definitely the class for someone to take that doesn't have any experience, or little experience, or some more enhancing their experience. So this was a great class to take.
I've been stalking Precious for a long time, trying to get to this class. I was actually ready to get in my car and drive to Atlanta to take this class. If you're on the fence, it's worth every penny. Precious is very hands-on. She teaches you. She guides you, and then she makes you do it on your own to make sure that you know what you're doing. The biggest takeaway for me from this class was being introduced to so many different fabrics and so many different techniques. I love it. I want to take it again.
I would like to say thank you to Precious Stevens, who invited me. And she pulls from her gut to receive her gifts. And I appreciate that.